Theme number 3 is to build a change network. Build a change network to build support and momentum throughout your organization. Being great at change takes a village. It is a team sport for us to grow the muscle, to over-deliver on expectations when we invest the time and energy to change what we do as an organization. It takes a village, it takes a team to make this happen. And so the innovators in this space are very intentional about identifying and building that change network. At our security firm, they built what they called a pioneer network that was made up of the heads of many of the biggest transformations that were going on. So that pioneer network was not only most impacted by, but also impacting the organization through change. Our retailer took a different approach, and as I mentioned, very autonomous cultures in these various business units. And so they created a consortium, more of a consortium approach, where we brought folks together to start to create consensus and create that common voice of change across the change practitioners who were already doing great work in their autonomous business unit. Our bank took sort of a hybrid approach where they created a central center of excellence and then federated communities of practice. So each business unit had a localized change management resource that was really closer to where the change was happening, but they were connected back into a centralized group that maintained the tool set, the methodology, commonality of practice. So that was that network. The transportation department took a whole different task. Now, as you can imagine, they are supporting literally every square inch of the state of Colorado and the transportation that happens from the northeast corner down to the southwest, down to Durango and Cortez and the Four Corners. They needed a distributed network of influence when change had to be distributed across the entire geographic spread of the state of Colorado. And so they created a geographically distributed change agent network that they could then tap into as the next change and the next change came forward. Our pharma created an ambassador network of leaders across the organization who both had their hands in change, but could also shape the enterprise change management journey. And our municipal government took an interesting approach. They created a unique partnership, and this really gets to the conversation in 2 weeks around change enabling systems. That webinar we're doing 2 weeks from now. They created this SDMR partnership that had project management, change management, process management, and performance management. So a solution delivery approach network that brought together process, performance, project, and change management. So that's what we mean around this network. Who are going to be the other allies that you're going to bring into this effort to grow enterprise capability?